Hello guys, hello parceros, how's it going? Well, this video is made because there is a lot of people who is there's a lot of people reporting some crashes of the Neo. It becomes with the ATTI mode. So I saw a video from our partner here in Colombia. It's called Hatu. You can go to see his video. He's in Spanish. He's a Colombian guy, and one of those videos he told that the Neo in the previous version of the firmware, the Neo received much better the signal of the satellites. So when I heard that, I said to myself, okay, so let's downgrade it, the Neo, and see what happened, see how it went. One of the things that you should know that in that firmware version, the follow me mode, it's getting slower because one of the things that the DJI improved in this new version of the firmware is that the Neo can follow you more quickly, with more speed. So you should know that in this version you're gonna lose that. I think that that's the only thing that I lose that, but I prefer to have the Neo more stable. We know ATTI mode became from nowhere, and to lose the drone. The other thing that you should to know is this process is it's much better if you do in a laptop with battery, because maybe in the process the power can go out, and I don't know what happened with the Neo, if something cut the process when you're updating or downgrading the firmware version. So it's much better to have a laptop with battery to guarantee the process. Okay, so this is the Neo. I put this. Let me introduce this little man. I put this tape to the reflection tape. So why I put this? First of all, if you lose the drone, it's much you can find this a little bit faster with these things. Second of all, for the birds, because I watched a lot of videos in YouTube that all the other guys mentioned that this can help with the birds. So I hope that any bird can attack my drone. So okay, so I'm gonna update the firmware, because at this moment the firmware is in the 0300 version. So I'm gonna update to do all the process with me with a brand new laptop. This is the laptop from my brother. This is the laptop from my brother because I use Mac. But I have another laptop Windows, but there's already set up. So I'm gonna do this with this laptop from scratch. So let's get started. So I do have to change with the controller. I'm gonna use this. You see, okay. Checking the version. Okay, let's update that. Okay, you see that? You see this? The other support for the DJI Google Zen 3. I later I'm going to put the video with when I doing the FPV with this firmware, with the oldest firmware. So don't worry if you guys have the goggles. The goggles, it's working with this firmware. not the new one. Okay, I'm talking about the 0.0300. Okay, so let me check another thing. Now the support vertical shooting. Okay, maybe you're gonna lose that. The support vertical shooting, so the corresponding range resolution. Okay, mobile app. The support for audio recording via app when using the supporting. So the noise reduction effect audio recording. Okay, maybe you're gonna lose that. Maybe these features you're gonna lose that. I'm not test this one, but you can try it out. Okay, but I prefer to lose these features to lose the drone. You know what I mean? But seriously, since I have this firmware, I noticed that the behavior of the drone is normal. It's like the way it should be. Not to ATT mode, please fly with caution. So I'm going to do this because to do this from scratch, because I know that everybody has the new firmware, because this firmware is added a lot of months ago. Okay, it's rebooting. If you can see, the firmware is updated. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Okay, so let's go to the laptop, to the PC. Okay guys, so this I'm going to go to Google. So we're gonna put in Google DJI Assistant 2 consumer drone series, because there is another kind of a software for another kind of drones. So for the Neo, we're gonna put this consumer drone series, not the other one. For the Mac, as I said, if you guys have the Sequoia, it doesn't work in Sequoia. So we're gonna put in Windows. I'm gonna put the exe file. I'm gonna download the software. Okay, I'm gonna open this thing. Okay, there we go. No. Okay, English, accept, agreement, next, install. And you should wait until. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to use this this cable. You can if you guys have the USB to USB to the USB-C to USB-C port, go for it. But right now I have this let me check. Okay, I have this cable as well, but it works with both cables. Okay, launch DJI Assistant 2, finish. Okay, and this is my brother. Allow, permitir, agree, next. Okay. So here's the software. Okay. So right now I'm gonna power on the Neo, plug this cable into the laptop, and wait, and connect. Let's see if okay, it work. Okay, you can see the DJI Neo, it's pop up, it's coming out. You should click here, and it seems you can select two versions of the Neo. I think maybe this is the first one, but I'm going to select this one. So you put downgrade. During the whole upgrade process, the following required: computers connected to the internet, device powered on with sufficient battery, as I said, USB connection. So start update, and there you go. So the software is connecting to the internet to download the firmware. Para los que me estén viendo en español, muchachos, ojalá me hayan entendido. Si no, pues me dicen en los comentarios, por favor, y yo los hago otro video con mucho gusto. Pero pues me gustaría pues que activaran los subtítulos. Ahí sale en inglés, pero los pueden traducir para que les salgan en español. Okay, transmitting. It's really fast actually. Updating. So here I'm putting this, connecting the Neo. I think it's done. The Neo is rebooting. There you go. So that's why it should better that you do this in a laptop and not in the desktop PC, because maybe while I'm doing this, the power cam goes out, and okay, the Neo power off. I'm gonna power on again. Okay, with the cable, probably you know that you notice that, right? So the current, okay, you see the current version is 0300. Okay, and let's connect again. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, you see the firmware, the version firmware is 0300, and that's it. That's it, guys. So if you guys, I did my best to explain this. So if you guys want to make some questions about this, you can do it in the comment section. And if you guys want my work, if you guys like my work, please subscribe. It's free and it helped me a lot. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this is gonna help everyone. Please do the test. Please do this by your own. I'm disclaiming all of the responsibilities of this, but the software is there. And you can download by your own. This is not the software I gave you. You can download the software. So please do this with responsibility, because you can damage your Neo if you're not doing this properly.
Textured environments.
Yeah, I know. So thank you very much for watching. Please do this with responsibility. Good luck with this, and tell me in the comments if it's working with you. Tell me in the comments how it went to you, and if there is some kind of improvements with your Neo. It worked for me. So far, well, I have the Neo with me. The other thing that I want to tell you, this tutorial can work with the DJI Mini 3, DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI Mini 2, all of the consumer drone series. You can do this. You can downgrade or see another firmwares. It worked for me before. It worked for me with the Mini 3. Okay, if you guys have this is the Mini 3. This is the Mini 3. Right now I'm doing the same thing of the Neo with this little guy. Let's do this the same thing. Okay, you connected the Mini 3, so it's the same thing. I'm doing this to see. Okay, in the Mini 3, the last one version is 500. Right now, I have the previous one of the last one, because they said that the last firmware of the Mini 3 it has a problem with the communication with the control. So that's why I've downgraded the firmware version as well. So that's why I did this the same thing with the Neo. So that's why. But I have the Mini 4 Pro. I have the Mini 4 Pro because this is for backup. For backup, I have the Mini 4 Pro, and the thing for Mini 4 Pro is curious because they don't have. I don't know why, but there's no much to select here. Let me. If you put the DJI Mini 4 Pro, look what happened. Just the only firmware compatibility detect between someone. Okay, no. Updated firmware, no. It only, I only, it's pushed me to upgrade because I have the 0800. That's the last version, but I don't want that. I want to keep this version in this drone and not to have the last one because I can downgrade it. You see, they don't let me downgrade the version in the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So just only for Mini 3 or Mini or the Neo, but not for Mini 4 Pro. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys have another question that I can help you with, you can write in the comment section and I will answer the question. If you guys like this kind of content, please subscribe, and it helped me a lot to grow. So thank you very much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye.